Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about how to build websites using AI tools. You can create different types of websites like industrial, animal care, marketing, art, educational, etc. using these tools without learning coding. AI is transforming web development, so these tips will make you a smart person and hit that subscribe button for more. Watch video till the end. Let's begin. Open any browser. Go to the search bar and search like I did. Then, new interface will open. Now click on the Generate Your Website button on the right corner. You need to start up your ideas here. Describe the website you want to create here. And press the Generate button below. You will have to wait for some time. Finally, our website is ready. Wow, it's very cool. You can also publish the website by placing your details. You can publish a website with very low prices. You don't need to learn coding. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you again. Bye bye.